Most people don't want to hear this. The boring path is usually the fast one. It just doesn't feel that way while you're on it. Here's the truth. Inconsistent effort feels productive because it comes with bursts of intensity. You go hard for 2 weeks, burn out, disappear for a month, come back with new motivation, repeat the cycle. It feels like progress because something is happening, but most of that energy is spent restarting, not building. Every time you stop and start again, you're not picking up where you left off. You're paying a tax, rebuilding momentum, relearning the discipline you had before, reconvincing yourself it's worth doing. That tax adds up quietly, and it's the real reason 3 years of stop-start effort can produce less than half a year of steady, unremarkable work. Boring work doesn't ask for your motivation. It doesn't need you to feel inspired. It just needs you to show up in a way that's small enough to repeat without burning out and consistent enough that momentum never has to be rebuilt from zero. This is where most people get it backwards. They think the goal is to work harder. The actual goal is to work in a way you won't need to recover from. 6 months of steady, unglamorous effort compounds in a way that intensity never does because nothing interrupts it. There's no crash, no 2-month disappearance, no starting over from a worse position than before. The uncomfortable part is that boring work doesn't feel like it's working, especially in the beginning. There's no dramatic before and after, no obvious sign you're ahead. Just quiet, repeated effort that looks identical on day 10 and day 90 until suddenly it doesn't. People chasing intensity are optimizing for how the work feels. People who choose the boring path are optimizing for what it builds. Those are two different games, and only one of them adds up over time. If you want to know who's actually going to be somewhere different a year from now, don't look for the person having the most exciting month. Look for the person still doing the same quiet thing they were doing 6 months ago. That's the person time is working for. Get the Week Plan app at weekplan.net.